Hey Thurko. What are you doing here?
Oh Varzun. Good. You came here. I got the news that the very rich man came here. And giving the money to poor peoples. Come on, let's taking some money too.
Fool man. We will not do that. 100%. These rich men are not noble. They actually make a name for themselves. I have an idea. Come and sit. Hello, rich man. Hello. I'm Varzun.
And I'm Thurko.
What kind of name is this?
Actually, this name was put by my grandmother. Because my grandfather had a disease.
What?
My grandfather used to be very happy to see the girls. I look like my grandfather. That's why this name was put by my grandmother.
Whatever. What do you both want? If you need money, so wait 3 days for anger. Hey man, speaking the truth, we know why you giving money. You look smart enough. I know. Okay, we want you to make us your manager. Oh okay, I understand. Done bros. Yes sir, you have bought 3 shirts. That's me. Your bill is 4,500 artis. What? Bro, have some pity on me. I'm a poor man. If you poor, then why you came here?
Hello, poor peoples. I'm here for you. How much money do you need?
Sir, I need 2 crore rupees.
Okay, don't worry. We'll be found.
And sir, this boy bought 3 shirts. To give me her money.
No problem.
Sir, you are great. Thank you. Hello, Lizzie. I bought this Dada's Diner. Now you can eat whatever you want for free.
Really?
What do I do? My heart is very big.
How sweet you are.
What is this happening? 17 crore will be spent in 6 days. What is it?
Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today latest news is that Thurko and Varzun is giving money to poor peoples.
Hello!
Hello boy. How are you? I'm fine.
I'm also fine.
Boys, you guys are handing out so much money. How are you feeling? I'm feeling good. Actually, we've loved helping poor people since we were kids.
Yes, sir. We are not like John the Rich Man.
Boys, I'm very impressed with you both. You are good peoples. Thurko and Varzun, they both finished my money. You both cheaters.